Hello everyone and welcome back to biology. Today we are getting ready to begin on lesson number 18, which is bacteria. Now, last class in lesson number 17 we learned about viruses and how I really dislike them. Bacteria I don't like very much either, but again, we're learning about them. What is bacteria? Bacteria is a single-celled living things that do not have a nucleus. Now, one single bacteria is made up of one cell. Now, you know how living things, for example, us, we are made up of too many cells to count. We're made up of many cells, okay? Now, bacteria, a single bacteria, is made out of one single cell. But it's not like common cells. Now remember, way back in the beginning of this semester, I started talking about cells, and I mentioned that there are many different types of cells. Now, bacteria is a type of cell. Now, it is not like the rest of the cells. A bacteria cell does not have a nucleus. Now remember, a nucleus is like the brain of a cell. The nucleus is the brain of the cell, which is what tells the rest of the cell what to do and how to function. Okay, I had that all jumbled up in my head, but that is what a bacteria is. Okay? Now, there are many things that make up a bacteria. Let's get into it. So here we have figure 18-1, and as you can see, we have a bacteria. There are different parts to a bacteria. The first part we see up here, those whip-like things or hairs, they kind of look like tentacles to me. They are called the flagella. Now, the flagella are long whip-like fibers that help some types of cells move. So bacteria are not the only types of cells that have this. It is also found in different cells, but that is what they are called, the flagella. Then we have the DNA, and followed by the cytoplasm, which we have heard about in different cells. Then we have the cell membrane, which is like the outer covering of the cell. This cell actually has a cell wall. That is something that we saw in plant cells. And besides the cell wall, it also has a capsule. Now, the capsule is a layer outside of the cell wall that protects the bacteria. So the bacteria actually is made out of many layers. Now, let's go into a couple keywords. Now, two keywords that I need you to include in your notes for today is flagella, which are the long whip-like fibers that help some types of cells move, and also capsule, the layer outside of the cell wall that protects the bacteria. Now, for your assignment today, it is to send me a picture of your notes. Please include a drawing of figure 18-1. If you need to go back in the video and pause that where you can see the whole image, please feel free to do so. Please include your keywords and also the definition of what a bacteria is. If you have any questions on anything, please don't hesitate and ask. I do ask, though, that when you are sending your assignments to me, please include in the subject line the subject, so the class. If you are sending me work for biology, please include biology in the subject line. That is all. Besides that, you guys do a really good job with turning in your work. So I hope to be hearing back from everyone very, very soon. And I hope you all have a very wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye.